Welcome back. Survey of Goan and the Tenancy Act is must to solve problems faced by tenants. Tenant Munkar Association leader Guru Shirodkar expressed his views in our weekly program Head On. Shirodkar also said that the amendment in the Act specifying 3 years limitation to stake claim on land is detrimental for tenants. He demanded that the rights given to court should be transferred back to Mamlatdars.
ह्या कूड कायद्यान असे प्रोविजन केल्ले आसा की कूड कायद्यान सर्वे करची म्हणून टेनंटांची आणि ती सर्वे खरी धरची आणि तांकां परचेज रायट दिवचो म्हणून आणि हो सर्वे रिकॉर्ड मामलेदारान अप टू डेट फ्रॉम इयर टू इयर मेंटेन करचो. आतां हे सगळें कार्य सिव्हिल कोर्ट करूंक शकतलो. फाल्यां तर तूं केस पिड्यार जालो जाल्यार ही जमीन कोणाक आयली? कोणाक आयली? भाटकाराक. ती परत भाटकाराक आयली. कूड कायद्यान कितें आसा? भाटकाराक जमीन वचना, सरकाराक जमीन वचना. अंडर कॉपरेटिव्ह फार्मिंग ती जमीन करपाक जाय. जो शब्द तिणी वापरला टेनंट पयलीं बिल्डरांक दिताले म्हणटा ते आतां इनडायरेक्टली गव्हर्नमेंट बिल्डरांक दितलो. हे जे क्लॉज पळय कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट फार्मिंग घातला तेची तर बिलकुल गरज ना. गरज आसा ती स्पेशल सर्वे अंडर टेनन्सी. म्हणजे
जोपर्यंत सर्वे जायना
तोपर्यंत
हातूंतलो खंयचोच प्रश्न सुटपाक शकना.
सुटूंक शकना.
धरून ते 4090 केसी
ते भायर पडटा. ते आतां तुका हेच जातलें. आतां ते सेटिंग करपाची गरज पडचे ना तांकां. कित्याक हे ऑटोमॅटिकली 3 वर्सां भितर एप्लाय केले ना ते मेळटली जमीन भाटकाराक आणि रिजल्ट लागल्या नंतर ती जमीन मेळटली. सो बिंदास मोर दॅन म्हाका दिसता 95% जमीन जी पळय आसा ती भाटकाराच्या हातान येतली.
Congress has severely criticized Goa government on various fronts. Congress alleged that cess on coal import has been reduced to benefit Karnataka's steel industry. Government has reduced cess from 250 rupees to just 50 rupees. They also said government is targeting a figure of 50 crore tax generation on online purchases. Congress has demanded to revoke imposition of the tax.
कोळशाचेर जसो सेस देवयलो फ्रॉम 250 रुपीज टू 50 रुपीज म्हणजे 200 रुपया तुमकां रिबेट दिली. 200 रुपया रिबेट फ्रॉम 250 रुपीज 400% तू टॅक्स देवयता कोळशाच्या इम्पोर्टाचेर. ताचो बेनिफीट डायरेक्ट जाता. एक म्हणल्यार कर्नाटकान असलेल्या स्टील इंडस्ट्रीक. दुसरो म्हणल्यार कोळशाचेर सेस देवयल्ल्या कारणान गोवा पोर्टा वयल्यान मुर्मुगांव पोर्टा वयल्यान मॅक्झिमम कोल इम्पोर्ट जातलो. चडांत चड कोळसो मुर्मुगांव पोर्टा वयल्यान इम्पोर्ट जातलो. आतां हो कोळसो हँडल कोण करतलो? अदानी हँडल करतलो. कित्याक अदानीचे जे अदानी मुर्मुगांव पोर्ट टर्मिनल प्रायवेट लिमिटेड आहा दे आर हँडलिंग द कोल. सो जितलो चड कोळसो येता जशी रेट देवली इम्पोर्ट सेस देवयलो तितलो चड कोळसो येतलो. जितलो चड कोळसो येतलो तितलो अदानीचो बिझनस वाडटलो आणि अदानी मॅक्झिमम हातून बेनिफिशियरी अदानी आसा. इम्पोज द टॅक्स ऑन द कोरियर्स हू आर ट्रान्सपोर्टिंग द प्रोडक्ट. अल्टिमेटली कितेंय जरी जालें जाल्यार प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी टॅक्स. एंड कंज्युमर जो आसा आमचे गोंयकार जे आसा गोंयकार आमचे भाव भयणी जे आसा यूथ आमचो जो आसा गोंयकार जो परचेज करता अल्टिमेटली हे तांच्या पॉकेटांच्यान टॅक्स काडलेलो वतलो. आणि गव्हर्नमेंट इज एस्टिमेटिंग अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 50 crore रुपीज ऑफ टॅक्स जनरेशन फ्रॉम दिस. की तुम्ही जे हे प्लॅन केला टॅक्स इम्पोज करपाचो ते विड्रॉ करा. अदरवायज वी विल हॅव टू चॅलेंज इट बिफोर द रायट फोरम. and we are going to challenge it before the right forum if the government goes ahead with this. Also, government should seriously rethink over giving such a big rebate of 160 crores when our state is already less on revenues due to closure of mining.
Goa government has contended before the High Court that suspensions of 5 constables suspended for planting drugs on Israeli national David Reum alias Dudu cannot be revoked as per civil service rules. Suspended constables Mahadev Naik and 4 others have pleaded to revoke their suspensions. They said that their suspensions have not been reviewed even once. Government stated that their crime is very serious in nature.
Suspended cops in the police drug nexus case are fighting a plea against the state before the High Court. During the hearing on Monday, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni contended that the suspended constables are pleading to revoke their suspension on the ground that suspensions were not reviewed. As per the rule, suspension should be reviewed in every 90 days. Advocate General also contended that review rule of civil service rules is not applicable to the accused constables as the charges against them are of very serious nature. Constables Mahadev Naik, Mahabaleshwar Sawant, Samir Warkankar, Uremia Guraye and Nagesh Parsekar have pleaded to revoke their suspensions. Advocate General also contended that petitioner constables were suspended for alleged crime like dealing with drugs. Government counsel also contended that Goa Police subordinated service rules does not restrict any particular period of review. CBI had arrested constables Mahadev Naik, Mahabaleshwar Sawant, Samir Warkankar, Uremia Guraye and Nagesh Parsekar for allegedly planting drugs on Israeli national David Driham alias Dudu. CBI on 3rd September had filed the charge sheet against these accused constables before Mapsa CBI court. Petitioners have sought time to make necessary amendments in their petition. High Court has permitted the petitioners to make necessary amendments within 2 weeks. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break here. Stay tuned.